In the spring of 2023, a seismic tremor of caution rippled through the technological world as AI ascended to unprecedented heights. Its own creators began to voice profound concerns, captured in an open letter published by the Future of Life Institute. This stark plea called upon all AI labs to immediately halt the training of systems, more powerful than GPT-4, for at least 6 months. It signaled a global alarm, questioning humanity's development of non-human minds that could eventually outnumber or replace us. The letter prompted a moment of reckoning within the industry, where the architects of the future pondered a deliberate pause. For the first time, they asked if humanity should truly press the brakes on this rapid technological ascent. The open letter's power stemmed from the influential minds who endorsed it, forming a roster of the tech industry's deepest thinkers. Pioneers like Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak and Turing Award winner Yoshua Bengio. They were joined by futurists such as Yuval Noah Harari, who long warned of technology's impact. Most notably, Elon Musk, a founder of OpenAI, added his name, creating a paradox of the creator cautioning against his own creation. This powerful coalition of experts, executives, and academics transformed the letter into an undeniable global event. It forced a critical conversation that the industry could no longer ignore. Beneath the call for a pause lay deep existential fears, concerned that AI development had become an out-of-control race. The letter articulated risks once confined to science fiction, including the proliferation of AI-generated propaganda. Proponents worried about such propaganda destabilizing societies with untruths. They also foresaw job automation on a vast scale, potentially rendering entire professions obsolete and triggering economic collapse. At its most extreme, the fear centered on losing control of our own civilization to an uncontainable superintelligence. The central anxiety was that humanity might inadvertently engineer its own obsolescence in the rush to innovate. At the heart of the debate lies artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which challenges the definition of intelligence itself. Unlike narrow AI, AGI can understand, learn, and apply its intellect to any problem a human can solve. Beyond AGI lies artificial superintelligence, ASI, an intellect vastly surpassing the brightest human minds in every field. Proponents of the ban argue that creating such an entity without guaranteed control is a planetary gamble. They contend that a superintelligence, by its very nature, might develop incomprehensible goals and strategies. These could prove potentially catastrophic to human existence, posing an ultimate risk. The call for a moratorium was met with powerful and immediate opposition from other corners of the tech world. Critics argued a 6-month pause was an unenforceable, naive solution to a complex global challenge. Halting progress in Western labs, they argued, would cede advantage to competitors and nations with fewer ethical constraints. This could create a more dangerous world, not a safer one, by shifting development underground. Figures like Bill Gates asserted a pause would not solve underlying challenges and could stifle AI's immense potential benefits in medicine and climate science. They warned focusing on hypothetical risks, distracted from present-day harms like algorithmic bias. The counter-argument was clear. Progress, however risky, was better than a vacuum filled by less scrupulous actors. The global race for advanced AI would simply continue elsewhere. Humanity has stood at such a precipice before, forced to collectively reflect on the power of its inventions. This debate echoes the historic 1975 Asilomar conference. There, leading biologists voluntarily paused their genetic engineering research to confront potential biohazards. They gathered to establish safety guidelines and ethical protocols, rather than halting progress forever. That conference proved scientists could successfully self-regulate amidst profound uncertainty. Proponents of the AI pause pointed to Asilomar as a model for exercising collective wisdom when a technology can rewrite life's future. Were a global moratorium on advanced AI development enacted, its consequences would ripple across the globe. This impact could manifest in both unpredictable and profound ways. In the best-case scenario, a pause would provide a crucial window for intense focus on AI safety and alignment research. It could allow for robust auditing, certification, and governance protocols before powerful systems are unleashed. However, negative implications loom large, as a ban could trigger a clandestine AI arms race, driving research underground. It might also stall breakthroughs in medicine, clean energy, and scientific discovery reliant on advanced computational power.
The world would be caught in a delicate balance, weighing the promise of a safer future against the peril of falling behind. It presents a high-stakes decision with far-reaching consequences.
Beyond the binary choice of pausing or proceeding, a third path emerges focused on proactive safety measures. This approach avoids a complete halt, instead championing AI alignment. AI alignment seeks to ensure an AI's goals harmonize with human values and intentions. It calls for independent third-party organizations to audit and stress-test powerful AI models before deployment.
Another key strategy involves increasing transparency, requiring AI labs to be more open about system capabilities. Rather than stopping the race, these alternatives propose adding guardrails, transforming the sprint into a controlled journey for beneficial intelligence. The open letter and fierce debate illuminated a fundamental 21st century challenge: the urgent need for global AI governance. This technology respects no national borders, rendering isolated regulation insufficient. The future likely involves a hybrid approach, combining international treaties, industry standards, and national laws. This forms a multi-layered safety net requiring unprecedented collaboration. Collaboration between competing companies, rival nations, and the public is vital to shape AI's future. The question is no longer if AI will be powerful, but how we collectively manage it. The decisions made today will echo for generations to come. These choices will ultimately define the relationship between humanity and the intelligent machines we have brought into the world.